Peter Arbuckle is a retirement and amenity housing complex in Invergowrie, Perth. Retirement housing allows you to live independently and have access to a communal lounge for social events, as well as part-time staff who will offer housing advice and ensure the properties are properly maintained. Retirement tenants belong to the Community Alarm Scheme, which allows our tenants to call for help in an emergency 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Here at Peter Arbuckle, we have 26 properties in total, which are particularly suited to older people, and they are a mix of 1 and 2 bedrooms.
I'm Angela Richardson and I moved here last November, and it's lovely. This is Peter Arbuckle Place. It's just a lovely area around here. It's quiet. You've got the park close to if you want to go for a long walk. But no, I love it here. The last place I lived, I had stairs and I kept falling down them. So I've got no more stairs. You've got someone on hand if it's later in the day. You've got a cord that you can press, or a button you can press, to get help. That goes to central control, and they arrange for either the warden, if she's available, to come, or the closest relative, and they get in touch with them and they can make sure you're all right. It's well worth it. It's lovely, especially on a day like this. But no, I'm glad I moved.
If you need more information about our housing options for older people, visit www.pkc.gov.uk/sheltered housing.